Hey guys, it's Tony. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of this KitchenAid Digital Countertop Oven that comes with a pizza stone and an air fryer. So what I read about this, and before we bought this unit, we had a small convection oven that we got. We did a review on it on our channel as well, and we absolutely loved it. It performed well, but what we determined over time is that the oven itself was a bit too small. So it was a little bit narrow, okay, top to bottom. It was fine in the width perspective, but it only had about, I'd say about a 6 to 7 inch clearance, which made it really difficult to bake anything of any size in that oven. We had to go back to the regular oven on our stove, which was counterproductive. So Avi and I wanted to find something that was bigger, but performed in the same way that we were used to with the oven that we had. So this KitchenAid really came in handy. This is advertised as a digital countertop oven that has the ability to air fry, bake, roast. It has a convection feature. It has a toaster feature, so you can do toast and bagels in it. And it also comes with two really cool features that I really like. One is a pizza stone, so you can do a 12-inch pizza, which isn't huge, but if you just want a snack or a lunch or something for the kids after school and you want to do like homemade pizza, it comes with a pizza stone to be able to do that. You could also, of course, do frozen pizza on it if you want. But also the air fry basket that comes on it doesn't require you to have to turn the food. And that's huge because usually when you have an air fryer, you have to kind of halfway through or kind of determine when you turn the food over, and you have to open the oven up, stop it, pause it, whatever, turn the food over and put it back in and let it cook. This has a feature that prevents that. It allows you to be able to just go in and just put it in one time and it cooks it. So we're real excited to try this out and show it to you guys. So let's get into it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And to help our channel grow, please consider clicking on the subscribe, the like, and the notification buttons below. And if you'd like to get a price for the item you're looking at, I have included the link in the description below, so please be sure to check that out. Now back to the video. So right off the bat, I can tell you the packaging even looks really good. It's made by KitchenAid, which is made in the United States. And they have a reputation for making really good, high quality appliances across the board. So the packaging itself does not surprise me that it looks really good. Let's see, do I have to lift it up? Yeah, it looks like I have to lift this completely out. If you need some help, maybe ask a friend or someone to give you a hand. It's kind of wrapped from the top. So this is what the oven looks like set up on the counter. So I went ahead and put the rack on the inside and the air fryer basket. But as you're using it, you can easily take things out, store them up top. You can move this rack to either the upper position or the lower position. And what I read is that the upper position is for dehydrate as well as broil, and everything else is on the bottom rack. So if you want to toast bread, bagels, it bakes, it convection bakes, and you can control between the two. Now that's a really nice feature too, because before on my other one, it had a convection, but I didn't have the ability to turn the convection fan off. So if I just want to do just a regular bake, I didn't have that option. This oven provides you with that. I can reheat, I can put it on just keep warm, which is very nice as well. My other oven didn't have that. I can do pizza. Proofing is really interesting. So let's just say that you're into baking bread and you want to be able to, let's say do some sourdough and you want your dough to rise. You can speed up that process by putting it on proof and putting your dough in the oven. And it puts it on a very, very low setting that just allows that yeast to be able to proof inside of your dough. But it does it at a faster rate than if you just let it sit on the counter or something like that. The unboxing, it was very straightforward. As I said, a lot of tape. Some of the accessories were in strange places, but once I got everything unpacked and on the counter, it's just a really, really good looking oven. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and initial review. I'm going to do another video on the actual performance of the oven so we can make some food and we can try it out and see how it does. But this is a good first start. Very, very impressed. Until the next time, take care.